Hello, my lovely friends on the internet. Today we are going to do something different. Instead of using my beloved oven and stove, we're going to use this little friend, microwave. A lot of times we may travel stuck in a hotel room with just a microwave and a mini fridge, or you live in the dorm and you have a shared fridge space and it's just a microwave. And so for this reason, today we want to share a delicious stuffed mushroom that's also vegan and that can be prepared rather fast, and it's going to be hearty and tasty, and if you don't tell anyone, they will not know it's made from the microwave. Ready to get started? So guys, see, this is the colorful final product. The smell of the mushroom mixing with the lime and it's just such a balanced taste. The smell and the aroma and just the flavors all balance out. And so this is a vegan recipe, but if you have some soy cheese or if you just have some cheese on hand, you can make this a vegetarian dish by top with a little bit of shredded Parmesan cheese or mozzarella cheese to give a little bit extra taste, or a little bit maybe shredded nuts to give a little crunchy texture. So this is a complete protein because quinoa is a complete protein, but you can also use other grains because rice and beans are complementary protein. So you can make this dish in under 15 minutes. And you know, if you look at this, you will not guess this is made from microwave. So I hope you guys enjoy this recipe, and we post recipe videos every Thursday and workout videos every Tuesday. So if you like it, please make sure to click the like button, share, comments, and subscribe if you haven't already. And see you guys next Tuesday. Bye. One. So the other angle. So you're gonna go